Hello everyone, my name is Harshodhan Yadav. Today's date is 23 December 2021. Today's topic is wrapper class in Java. Wrapper class in Java are used to convert primitive type into corresponding object. In each type of primitive corresponding wrapper classes, the primitive type into wrapper class. The first one is byte into byte, then boolean into boolean, then character into character, then double into double, then short into short, then long into long, then int into integer, the float into float. uh, Convert primitive type into wrapper object. We can value used to value of in bracket, then method to convert primitive types into corresponding object. The primitive types to wrapper object, the example is first one, create class, then is a main method, then create primitive types. First integer is equal to int is equal a is equal to 5, then double b is equal to 5 into 65. The converts into wrapper object. The integer object is equal to integer dot value of a, the double object the double value of b. If a of j instance of integer, then sysout print an object of integer is created. Then if instance of double, then system out of print is object and new double is created. Output is an object of integer is created, an object of double is created. In above example, we have used to value of method to convert primitive type into object. However, Java compiler can directly convert the primitive type into corresponding object. For example, int a is equal to 5, then convert into object, then integer object is equal to a semicolon, then double b is equal to 5.6, convert into object, double object is equal to b. When we create an object in wrapper class, it contains a field and it is field we can store primitive data types. In other words, we can wrap primitive value into wrapper class object. Then they convert primitive data types into object. The object are needed if we wish to modify arguments passed into the method because of primitive types are passed by the value. The data structure in collection of frameworks such as ArrayList and vector and store only the object and not primitive types. An object is needed to support synchronization is multi-threading. Then classes, in this the classes Java until package, the handles only object and hence wrapper class help into the case is also. Then Autoboxing conversion of primitive types of object in corresponding wrapper classes into non-autoboxes. For example, conversion of int to integer, long to long, and double to double, and for example etc. Then unboxing, it is a reverse process of autoboxing. It is automatically converting the object of wrapper class into corresponding primitive types is known as unboxing. For example, conversion of integer to int, long to long, double to double, etc. Implementation. Implementation is a example to given. First of all, create class wrapping, unwrapping, then create a main method public static void main, then create in the curly bracket byte a is equal to 1, then semicolon, then data type int b is equal to 10, then integer int into new integer b, then float c is equal to 86.6 f, then float object new float c, then double data type double d is equal to 250.5 semicolon, then character type, then character c is equal to a, then sysout values of wrapper object in printing of object, then sysout byte on object, then byte bv is equal to byte object, then int iv is equal to int bj, and then float fv is equal to float object, double dv is equal to this is an example, and then output is object byte 1 integer in and so on. Then custom wrapper class in Java. The Java wrapper classes they wrap the primitive data type. That's why it's known as wrapper classes. We can also create class which wraps a primitive data types. So we can create a custom wrapper class in Java. Uh, for example, first of all create a class, then private int I, then java point curly bracket, then java point int I, then this I is equal to I, then public integer get value, then public void set value, the public string to string, the return integer to string, the public args test java point t point, the public static void main, then output is 10. This is an example of custom wrapper class in Java. Then use of wrapper class in Java. Java is object oriented programming language, so we need to deal the object many times like collection, serialization, synchronization, etc. Let us see the different scenarios we need to use wrapper classes. Change the value in method. The Java supports only call by value, but if we convert the primitive value in an object it will change the original value. Serialization, we need to convert the object into the streams to perform serialization. If you have to primitive value it convert the object into the wrapper classes. Synchronization, the Java synchronization works with object in multi-threading. Java until package, the Java until package provides the utility classes to deal with the object. Then collection framework, the Java collection framework works with object only. All classes of collection frameworks deals with objects only. Thank you.